Understanding Notifications, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term notifications. This word is commonly used in our digital world, and understanding it can help you navigate various platforms more effectively. Let's dive in. Notifications are alerts or messages that inform you about new activities or updates. They appear on your devices, like smartphones or computers, to draw your attention to something new. For example, when someone sends you a message on social media, you receive a notification. There are several types of notifications. 1. Push notifications. These appear on your device even when you're not using the app. They remind you of something important or urgent. 2. Email notifications. These are updates you receive via email, like newsletters or account updates. 3. In-app notifications. These appear only when you're using a specific app, like a new friend request on a social network. It's important to manage your notifications to avoid being overwhelmed. Most devices and apps allow you to turn notifications on or off, choose the types of notifications you want to receive, customize the sound and display of notifications. Notifications play a crucial role in keeping us informed. They can help us stay connected with friends and family, keep us updated on news, weather, or emergencies, remind us of important tasks or events. We hope this video has helped you understand what notifications are and how they function in our digital lives. Remember, managing your notifications can make your online experience more enjoyable and less stressful. See you in our next lesson.